Does swearing affect CPMs and your reach on YouTube? It's one of those commonly asked questions and a frequently asked question that I'm going to address today. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe, start creating. Now YouTube in the last year and a half has become very, very strict on what it deems advertiser friendly and who even is in their YouTube partnership program. The YouTube partnership program is what allows me to place ads against my videos just in the good old fashion of YouTube. You know, whether they're here, whether they're pre-rolls, whether they're little things that are up here on YouTube, little box adverts. And in the end of the day, there's many people that believe that it's money that makes the world go round. But does swearing in the videos affect that CPM rate? Now, I've sworn a lot in my videos over the years. I have kind of tapered it back, but I'm quite curious. Do you swear in your videos? Is that part of your kind of thing? Are you gaming and the odd F-bomb kind of helps the tension? Quite curious. Please leave a comment down below. Now, swearing in itself will not necessarily lower your CPM rate. However, I would advise that it does close a few doors. If you simply bleeped a F word, if you simply bleeped an S word, if you simply made up a different word in frustration, that may actually pander better to the YouTube algorithm. What you've always got to remember is that the YouTube system has a subtitling system. So what it will do is it will go through all of your videos and try and guess the words that are coming out of your mouth. So if an F-bomb drops out or you say something really inappropriate, the likelihood is that that's already been translated into your captions, your subtitles at the bottom, which then immediately gets indexed. It could be something that factors into your CPM rate. The biggest impact, however, when it comes to CPM rates is the niche that you're in, the demographics that you happen to be pulling, how often you upload, the length of the video, the watch time on that video, and the overall safety of your channel. If you're not known for swearing, and in 200 videos you've maybe dropped one or two clangers, your CPM rate may not be affected, and directly that video might not be affected in itself. I highly advise, however, that you do not make a 20-minute video of you just saying the F words over and over and over and over and over and over again, because that's just pushing your luck. However, there is reference material out there that does prove that CPM rates can drop as much as $2 to $3, dependent on whether or not you are fully family and advertiser friendly, or whether you are deemed in the next category. Because there is a system that is automated on YouTube that is not talked about that often. And it is and isn't in trial and has been mentioned in the last year or so. And what it does is it looks at your channel and it kind of age grades your content and your channel in general. This may be done through your demographics, this may be done through your analytics, or the titles, the descriptions, and your tags. And the reason for this is so it can relate you to other videos. So if my content's purely kids content, and I'm talking about Spider-Man, then it will try and relate me to other kid content Spider-Man stuff. But if I'm doing a 18+ review on the latest Spider-Man, and I'm talking about guts and gore and death, then maybe it's more likely to be suggested against relevant adult content. So they have to kind of understand the age of your audience to share it. But that can also mean that certain ads don't run against it. So there's not going to be adult-based adverts for graphic content against child-based videos, which are more accessible. And if that video is more accessible, then I have more videos placed against it over time. It's just more likely. If you can place 8 out of 10 adverts against the child content, but 5 out of 10 adverts against the more adult-based content, then the child-based content is going to have a better advertising viewing ratio and maybe a better CPM. Now, I'm aware that this is a very jargon-based video, so if you want to understand how YouTubers make money, there's a playlist up here and it kind of describes what CPM rates are. But for more YouTube tricks and tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon, go out there, start creating.